Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to enable NFC now and unlock the screen. Open the NFC Writer app and choose a simple text or URL record. Once done, select the record type and enter the content you want the tag to share. Make sure the tag is within a few centimeters of your phone's NFC antenna. Most antennas sit near the top or center. Tap right, hold steady, and listen or watch for confirmation that the app shows success before moving to the next step. Now you create the exact NDEF structure. If you need a vCard, include proper line breaks. For URLs, use full HTTPS / addresses so phones open directly. Once the fields are filled, write to the tag but do not lock it yet. This keeps you able to rewrite or fix mistakes. After writing, immediately scan with another phone or the same app in read mode, inspect the payload, and confirm links open or contact data imports correctly before finalizing security. Once verification passes, you can permanently lock the tag if you need immutability. Otherwise, leave it rewritable for updates. Mount the tag where the phone will naturally touch it, avoid metal surfaces or thick glass that block signals, and consider adhesive or encasements for durability. If a device won't read the tag, try rescanning slowly, repositioning over the antenna, or rewriting the NDEF record. If problems persist, reformat the tag in the app and attempt a fresh write.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.